Hello everybody, this is Automan. So the project has begun. I got my battery. Hooked up to my 2,000 pound ATV winch. I got a safety screw to the wall. I've got the cable line running down to that right there, my wood stove. As you can tell, the wood stove's in the basement. And it has a crack, so I have to take it out to have it welded. The crack's actually right inside of there. So I come up with this idea. Made a track system out of 2x4s. Made a little 2x4 sleigh for it to ride on. We're gonna send it up the stairs. Let's see how it goes. It goes awesome. A couple people will watch it. If it falls down the stairs, we get $1 million. And here we go. You keep the slack out of it. Okay, hold on. Up a little bit. Okay, stop right there.
It's on now, so.
They keep coming. In. In. Yes. Keep coming. Keep coming. Right up. Right up. Yep, stop. There she is. Woohoo!
I'm so proud of you.
Okay, on to the next step. We got it outside the house. You see it's on the deck. Come outside through there, put a little ramp. Now it's up this makeshift ramp into the Yodi, over to the garage. Let's hope it goes smooth. Alright, so here we are, final step. We get it loaded into the truck. I get all my scrap and everything taken care of. So I got it come along, a chain followed up to the rafters, put a little piece of plywood so it's going to slide out. Here we go. I'm going to get in, drive it out, should leave it hanging. Oh, that wasn't too good. Put another crack in the tail light, but it was cracked anyway. There it is. Next up, some welding.